Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today, I want to talk about something very special.
The magic of home-cooked food lies not just in the recipe, but in the joy of creating something beautiful. Let's get cooking. Welcome back to Englify with Yagya. Today we made this comforting stir-fry, perfect for a quick weeknight meal. In a world In a world full of fast food and restaurants, I believe nothing can replace the meal made in our own kitchen. Whether you are in India, the US, or the UK, we all have that one dish that makes us feel at home. Many people ask me, what is your favorite dish? To be honest, I am not a picky eater. I enjoy whatever is cooked at home. Why? Because home food is made with fresh ingredients and a lot of love. A picky eater means someone who has many conditions before eating. But for me, food is a blessing. Why do I prefer homemade food over restaurant food? First, it is full of love. Second, it is very right at home. When we eat at home, we know the food is fresh, hygienic, and made with care. We know what ingredients are used. Whether it is a simple vegetable dish or chicken, the taste of home is unique. Every person has a different taste. But if you ask me about my absolute favorite, it is simple dal chawal and aloo curry. Dal means lentil soup and chawal means steamed rice. It is a very simple and healthy meal. And restaurant food can be oily, but home food is always balanced. To my friends abroad, have you ever tried Indian lentils? What is your favorite home-cooked dish? Do you like it spicy or simple? Please tell me in the comments. If you liked this video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.